Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off customized updates and more on your account on notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy. Now you will find notifications, click on it, and here as you see you will find customized updates and more. Just click like this and it will be turned off, and that's how to turn off customized updates and more on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.